Okay, so let me make sure everything's good. Should be. Excuse me. I'm gonna try not to do that. It's been a while since I've done an actual live commentary kind of thing, so it says I'm live. Sweet. Mm-hmm. All right. Whoa. Hi there, dragon. That was really fast. The if I reply to something before it shows up on the screen, for some reason is slightly delayed. That's okay. Okay. I really need to start like putting things in a better order. All right, so we're live. Awesome. Dragon, how you doing? How you doing, girl? Huh. It's kind of weird. I like it. Oh, the blue parts from the RPG Maker window. That's what it was. Okay. All right. So, Dragon. In case you are new to this, this is what I was working on. As you can see, we have full screen it. A fully working thing. YouTube notifications, yeah. Now, I done some different things. As you can see, it doesn't instantly warp to my mouse. For example, if I'm over here, and my mouse, I clicked off the screen. But if I do this, boom, you can see it takes a few frames to reach the mouse. This creates a much smoother transition when moving the ship. So yeah. Alright, let's get started. What was I doing to begin with? I guess I need to make an enemy class. Oh, I already did. Shmup enemy. So let's see. They have a max HP, attack value, and defense value. They need a bullet. This dot bullet. Oops. Using a keyboard that I got recently, so I might make a few typos, but it's okay. So they do need a bullet class. And how do I do the bullet system for this? I think I did. Oh yeah, that's right, for the cutscene thing. If there's no cutscene entrance, then the cutscene entrance is like when the ship starts going up and everything. Okay, here we go. What am I thinking? How am I gonna? Okay. Update bullets. That's definitely a prototype that we need. So I'm just gonna copy this. Game enemy. Where are you? Shmup camera. Here we go. Game shmup enemy dot prototype. So there we go. Now the bullets will. Well, no, I need to modify this. So we need the get angle function again. Because I want them to fire at the player. So we're gonna have to use a get angle function here by using math.atan2, which I believe is tangent. Something to do with some like weird thing. So I'm going to copy this function here as well. Shmup camera. Here we go. Just gonna replace enemy or player with enemy, whatever. All right, so enough of my dankness. You know what? I have an idea. Let me move this over here. Cool. Whoa, we have 6 viewers already. Wow. Hello, everybody. And welcome. Thank you so much for sticking by. Holy crap. Alright, so here we go. X1, Y1. Okay, that's all we really need. Alright. So, the enemy ship, we're going to have to make something. I need to get my head in the game. This is a little bit confusing all of a sudden, coming back to it. Hey, Rigby, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. I do hope you enjoy your stay. Alright. I'm going to open a previous ship that I had here. This was all my weapons and everything I was designing for it. I'm going to duplicate the ship. And just as a test, I'm going to make it very similar. Nah, screw it. Let's make a new one. Alright. So, I'm just going to make a dark gray because it makes it easier for me to draw on that type of a canvas. Black. One. Okay, I'm gonna make like that weird little squiggly ship that like a little sperm ship, I guess. Hello there, Israel Rodriguez, right? I think. Let me look over here on the other monitor. Yeah, yep, Israel Rodriguez. Welcome to this. I need to pause my my own stream. By the way, for those who don't know, I am literally using T-Mobile's internet tethering plan. Well, sort of plan, and there is no issues at all. I freaking love T-Mobile. They're amazing. No, this is not sponsored by T-Mobile though. Okay, enough being dank. Let's see, what do we want the ship to be? Use a light version of VX Ace. Swagger though. That's how it's up. That's what's up. You know you're good if you can get something done with the light version. So, let's see. I want it to be like this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy that. Invert it like so. You know, like those little squiggly, like friggin' sperm cell looking ships that they always have in shmups. I'm so stupid sometimes. Okay. What color should it be? They're usually gray anyways. Let's not make it a plain dull gray though. That's gonna be blue because like that's the glass thing that they see through. Should we give it wings? I think we might give it some wings. I don't know yet. Just gonna do a split down the center here. Gonna go the other way with it though, like that. And I'm going to use a fade method, which I'll show you. It's a pretty simple little blur method. Yeah, let's give it some wings. It doesn't quite look right without wings. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. There we go. Just gonna fill these in. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, and there we go. That looks pretty good. Emerald, what up? Just enter the chat room. Oh, you're at work? On one of their iPads. Sweet. Use a pirated version of RPG Maker 2000. That is what up, Gert. I remember back in the old days, even I used the pirated like thing. I used to pirate all the time, but I kind of quit doing that. Cause I didn't want to become Bubba's play toy. They wouldn't. I don't think they would like directly arrest you though. Like they would more like. So he's pirated until his Steam sale. That's what's up too. You know, to each their own. But I'm not, because I don't want to die. Here we go. Split this back in half here. Do another split. Got to redo the coloring on it. Ooh, that actually looks kind of cool. Huh? An accidental birth. I mean, an accident. An accidental discovery. Which I suppose could be translated directly as accidental birth, but who knows. Yeah, that looks kind of neat. I like that. It's a neat little enemy ship. That's gonna be. We need a faded blue. We do. No, maybe no. Maybe that other blue did work just fine. I got an idea. Like that. That looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the fade trick. Oh, hello there. Real Nikolai, what up? Welcome, excuse me, to the stream. So the fade trick. Basically, what happens is I'm gonna do this a little bit different. So I'm gonna copy the blue onto a new layer. I'm gonna lock its alpha channel. Did I lock it? This is like really hard to tell if things actually selected or not. And then we're just gonna apply a small blur like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the grays here. Copy to this new layer again. Lock the alpha, and I'm just going to repeat the blur. Now, we still want that line there, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the smudgy le poop finger thing. Let's do a... No, one's good. There you go. Looks pretty good. Welcome, Burp, to the stream. Yes, exactly. Pratham? I think I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm probably butchering it, but hey. Okay, since you haven't seen it yet, Nikolai, I will go ahead and show you. It is a shmup, and this is what we've got done so far. As you can see here, like, we got the whole thing going on. I have a smooth transition to where, like, the ship follows the mouse. It doesn't instantly warp to it. As you can see, it takes a few frames to get there. And how that's done is, first, you need to calculate the distance between the points. That's going to be your velocity, and then you just divide that by however many frames you want it to take. And then you need to get the angle of things. It's not really too hard, but I haven't necessarily made a tutorial on this. But, well, I love how I say it's not really too hard, and yet here I am struggling with it. Oh, boy. You know, I think I'll throw all the update calls in the game system update. Yeah, that'd be better. I need some water. Oh my gosh, water never tasted so good for some reason. So there you go, Nikolai. That is what we're making. And now I'm going to... It's really cool. I've been looking for some mini games for... Yeah. Oh yeah, I might, but right now even I'm struggling a little bit. It's one of the reasons I haven't quite made it yet. This is more or less a, I guess, learning experience for me. Yeah, there we go. It looks not bad. I know it looks really dark gray here, but it looks hard to see here because of the color of the background. But trust me, it's gonna be a lot better in a second. Okay, so that's his cannons. Okay, so our enemy ship is done. What I need to do first is merge visible layers. Okay on that. Now I'm gonna center it to the image by selecting all, auto shrink, cutting, repasting in there. Now it's centered. Alright, so this is going to be our first enemy. He's going to be a very basic enemy. We'll make it 12th game, Jolt game. Dang! Creepypastas? Please do tell. Creepypastas are always interesting and fun. Alright, so this needs to go to Neo Regal, IMG, System, Enemy 1. I'm just gonna call it Enemy 1. I mean, no one else is really gonna have a purpose to explore this code unless they want to see really, really weirdly written shmup code. But hey, it works. So, alright, here we go. So, preload the image. Enemy 1. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention on Twitter that I'm streaming. Hang on. Alright, hold on. Let me... Okay, for lack of, like, things, I'm gonna not break my neck, and, because I have a monitor right next to me, and it's the one that I use for the OBS settings. Okay. Pretty cool though. We got this monitor for free because like one of my dad's customers, he does pest control, and then they gave him the monitor, so it's like awesome, and it supports our sRGB color, so it's pretty cool. All right. Maker MV Shmup stream. Shmup development stream. There we go. And we're good. Close that out. Can I create game and average without coding? Yes, you indeed can. That was rude, Dragon. What? Dragon Redux? What you talking about, girl? Hold on. Oh. Nah, just joking around. Alright. So, enemy 1 is preloaded. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so confusing though. I don't know how I'm gonna handle the... So we got the top layer, of course. Okay, you know what? All the enemies are going to be, they're gonna be new sprites instead of being drawn through the BLT method. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Scene, shmup. Dot prototype. Dot... What am I running over with my wheel? There we go. Ah, that's much better. Wait, what? Creepypasta is angry beavers. Sweet. I was gonna say something really stupid that I probably would have regretted, but thank goodness I stopped myself. Alright. Anyway, prototype dot make test enemy equals function. This dot enemy equals new game shmup enemy. No, it needs to be new sprite for this. This dot enemy dot bitmap equals yeah, equals my link. What was it? Okay, image mother manager dot load system enemy 1. This dot enemy dot data equals new game shmup enemy. And that's what's gonna handle everything. Alright, so excuse me, dang it. Okay, this dot enemy dot x equals graphics dot box width divided by 2 minus 24 dot y equals 48. Now this add child this dot enemy. So we're gonna have to throw all the enemies into an array for when we actually spawn them. Hey Rashad, what up? Grr, how's it going? Alright. So there's a little enemy dude right here. There is no collision yet for the bullets, but we're about to get to that. So he looks kind of cool, like a really good little first enemy. Right? No? Yeah, dude. How you been though, Rashad? What are my thoughts on Pokemon Sun and Moon? That is a good question. I haven't played it, so I don't really know. Long live anti-bronies. What the F? And who? There's enemy. Now, collision is a bit interesting. Oh boy. How am I going to do this? Huh. No, I know exactly how I'm going to do this. Okay, first off, what I'm going to do is at the very start of the scene here, before the create sprites, I'm going to do this dot underscore. No, this dot enemies equals an array. So instead of test enemy, we're going to do create enemy and empty. So yeah, we're gonna do create enemy, and it's gonna be ID. So we're gonna do this, and then instead of this dot enemy, we're gonna do replace dot enemy with dot enemies ID. Place that one just in case I don't want to. There you go. All right. Now, we can actually create two of them. Hold on, ID X Y X Y. Now, I might actually replace the ID thing, but I don't know. We'll see how we do it. Yahoo! What up? Hello. Probably won't be on the stream very long. My data on my phone. Dude, switch to T-Mobile. Seriously, like they have a real unlimited plan, like an actual unlimited one. I'm literally streaming this from T-Mobile's internet tethering from my phone. Down with the anti-furries. Hey now. Hey. Just kidding. Anyways. So, let's try doing this. Let's try adding a second enemy here. Plus 24. So we can make an enemy like right next to that one. This will be perfect because we can do an update enemy thing, and we're gonna... This will be a lot easier for me to manage this way. This.update enemies. You are a fairy? Degree. Alright, so enemies. Okay. Scene, Shmup. Prototype. Protoman. Update enemies. I feel like crap for some reason, though. Dysfunction. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw everything into a loop. So we're going to do for bar I equals 0, I is less than this dot enemies and enemies dot length I plus plus. Then we're going to say this dot enemies, dang it, I dot data dot update. Now it's going to update them all. So let me explain. The update's still a function, right? Did we add that yet to the game enemy? No, we did not. Game shmup enemy dot prototype dot update equals function. So we're not going to have it do anything at the moment other than this dot x. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys something cool. This dot, let's say f equals 0.0 0.0%. Okay. So yeah, equals 0 plus equals math dot cosine. We're gonna do this dot f times 8. Now check this out. This dot f plus equals 0.01, for example. Now, what that should do is, unless I get an error, which I am very strongly feeling like I'm getting an error. Nope, but it's not updating him. Why? Okay, so is the update even calling? Hang on. Wait a minute. Is the enemy, no, it's not a thing with it on. Anyway, let me read the chat. What did I miss? There's a folder called base resource when you download the demo, if I'm correct. Poopy symbol. There you'll find more music. I am so confused, but alright. Cool. Crash for anybody else? Wow, I've been live streaming for 24 minutes already? Holy crap. Okay. Well, sorry, To real Nikolai. Alrighty. What's I gonna do? Set update. Okay, I need to... Oh! No. This was updating. What I need to do is, this dot enemies I dot x equals this dot enemies I dot data dot x. This dot enemies I dot y equals this dot enemies I dot data dot y. Now, we can move around the thing based on the x and y that we gave the shippies. Can I add this video to our generic playlist? Sure. As you can see, he is... Why? Why you do this? Why? Gotta tell me these things. Alright, did I screw something up? Oh, that's why. I'm so confused. Okay, you get over here. What is even... Okay, hold on. It's because of the x plus equals thing up here in the update. Oh, I didn't have an x and y. Oh. I have set it for the camera, but I don't... Okay, this is why. This dot y equals 0. Now, we gotta do something. Instead of this, we're gonna do dot data dot x. And then dot data dot y. Since... Okay, now it should work just fine. That was so weird. I was like, oh, there we go. Now they're gonna sway back and forth. You'll see. They'll come back. There they are. Woo! Yay! Hello! Come on. Hello! Alright. Now, that's obviously way too much. So... You know, I really should start separating these into different... quick question. The event note tags are located beside the event. Okay. Yeah. Then they are. They are. So we have the dot x and dot y, but this obviously needs to be changed a little bit. What is happening? Oh, the update function. Alright, so... +1 is way too much. So let's do 0, 8. Let's see how that goes. Because way too much. We need to do maybe 0 and then we'll multiply by the less. Oh, let's do this. Back to what we did before. Right here. And then let's instead do that. Instead do 2. There we go. I like that. That's a good thing. Now we need to add health bars under the enemies. And how are we gonna do this? Okay, so I can do the enemy part, but oh my gosh. Should I add a completely new window, like, and then stamp it over the... I think that'd be the best way to go about it. Huh. And then stamp it to that or the enemy ID. That might work. Alright, so let's try it. Let's make a new little window. Just gonna copy this one. Window, enemy, health. What even happened just now? I'm so confused by that. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Okay. This is my first live chat. Awesome. Well, I hope you do enjoy it. Really, really hope you enjoy it. Anyway. Wondering. Okay. Window, enemy health. Okay, so EID. So, the best way to do this would be to, instead of making the this dot enemies right here, we're gonna do, we're gonna make it a global, excuse me, global variable. So I'm gonna put it under right about here. Enemy array. No, I'm gonna move that at the top. It's just gonna be organized better. Speaking of organizing, I need to do some things before I get overwhelmed. Special thanks to Yanfly, by the way, for the screen thing. Okay, this is just for the test, so I'm just gonna keep that. On variables. See, now what I did there is now I can just hide that, and it really, really helps. I'm just gonna hide this under the name CMDs. CMDs nuts, guy. Okay, that. Now hide that. Game alias. That. Remove. Just put this back up here. In the variable section. Hide the game alias. I like doing this because it really, really helps me organize things. So we're gonna change this from cringe. What happened? What's the difference between MV and VX Ace? Everything. Like, there's a giant world of difference. Completely different engine altogether. And you can export to HTML. Basically, the entire game is written in HTML. It's, well, HTML5, JavaScript, and all that. Basically, it uses Node.js, which is a standalone, I guess, sort of Chrome-based, like, mini little web browser thing. And as for the graphics handling, it uses Pixie.js, which is actually a very good thing that kind of intelligently apparently decides whether or not to use WebGL or other things. This, no. So we're going to replace this dot enemies with regular enemies. They were 12 replacements. Now, in theory, there should not be any issues. Yep, we're good. All right. So we have just properly organized things. I don't know what the little ball does. Basically an average maker that's finally caught up with the times. Pretty much. Pretty much, yeah. So, game enemy. Just gonna bump that forward. See? Now we can hide all these unnecessary functions. Hold on. Game camera. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep like using the camera or not. We'll see. Game player. Player. Shmup player has a bunch of functions in it. Alright, so there we go. I needed that to organize that like that. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I boofed. Ender Scram, what up? Hey, Ender, check this out, though. Check it out, homie G. Check it out. Yeah, party. Party Bacardi. Watch this. Oh, no. Whoa. Alright, so anyway. Thanks for telling it for me. What? I'm so good. Did I miss something? Hold on. Oh, okay, never mind. You're talking about the RPG Maker differences. Yeah. What I miss, anyways. Right there. I just showed you. Gert. That's what you miss. Alright, hmm. Oh, yeah. I lost train of thought for a second. So, anyway. We're going to be handling collision here in a minute. I just got to finish organizing these. Game, main. Oh, wait. Oh. Ooh. Hold on. Oh. I don't even need to throw in a function down here to update the enemies. I forgot I had that. Huh. See, all we need to do is put that up here. Hold on. This dot update enemies game shmup dot prototype dot update enemies. What? There we go. And I hated school. I'm a Darrow. What's a Darrow? Have you looked into the bullet ML interpreter for JavaScript? I indeed have not, actually. I have not. I guess I don't really. If it has to do with like bullets and everything, I don't really need it though, because I know how to do custom collision. I'm just gonna use basic stuff. I'm actually using a pretty interesting trick to save resources, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that real quick. Instead of every bullet being a new sprite class, unlike the enemies, the bullets are drawn onto the top, or no, bottom layer, I think. Yeah, the bullets are drawn onto the bottom layer using the BLT function. It's really super helpful. That way, only one actual sprite needs to be loaded, and it can save a lot of resources that way. A Darrow is a Darrow. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. I lost a train of thought again. Oh yeah, the enemy health windows. We are going to be using these. So, var result equals, hold on, you know what? Hold on. Okay, there's so much that we need to do. First, I need to organize. I need to stop doing that and organize. The enemy health. Window, bottom layer. Window, top layer. Long bar thing to separate. There we go. Gotta keep them separated. I want to hear a lip roll. Dead roll there, fine. You're happy. I make my VXA games manually. Indeed. Window enemy health. I can hide that. I can hide that. I just need to. So window top layer. Hide that. There we go. Now we're actually getting somewhere with the organization part. All right. Scene Shmup. Oh, only 3 viewers. Everybody hates me. Just kidding. Here we go. Oh. Oops. I named my stream wrong. Developing a shmup. Oh my gosh, I have so much to update. Hold on. Working on... Hi, Alex! I was completely unprepared when I derped out on that. So, Alex, in case you don't know what we're working on yet, I'll go ahead and show you. See, look at this. Look how nice this looks now. It's so much more easy to read. Screen management, I guess. Oh, this is so much nicer. Seriously. Wow. Yes, I love that. Alright. So, Alex, this is what we're working on. I hope I didn't mess anything up by unfinished. There we go. We're good. Oh, that's so trippy. The star things lined up. I was wondering when they would. Anyway, this is what we've been doing. I'm about to, good job on pro. Thank you. Crypto, the super dag. Dude, that dog's majestic. Anyway. Moving on. At least we're back up to 5 viewers now. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, the enemy. We're gonna handle collision now. Get angle, update. This dot update collision. Game shmup. Enemy dot prototype dot update collision. I'm gonna leave that blank for a minute. Equals function. I'm gonna leave that blank for a minute. So in the initialized function, I'm gonna call HP, attack, and defense. As well as bitmap. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a change here. So this dot bitmap equals bitmap. Oops. Hold on. I'm gonna make it a lot easier on my end. Image manager dot load system bitmap. Okay. I already did later, Ender. Have fun, man. Well, have fun, not an appointment. Whatever. Anyway, yep. Take care, dude. God bless to all. Indeed. So, max HP equals HP. HP equals HP. Attack equals attack. And defense equals a defense. Now, this is very important because dank bananas. Hold on, scene. Okay, the create sprites function. What? Oh, that's already, yeah. So then, the enemy ID bitmap, enemy 1, health, let's say 10, no, let's do 3. Yeah. Is 3 good? Yeah. Attack and defense is 1, and then the X and Y. So what we're gonna do now is the create enemy function here. We're gonna do enemies id dot data dot h max HP equals bitmap HP max HP. No. Attack defense XY. Uh, I have not seen something like that run smoothly. Well, at least, it's because I'm doing everything originally, like original. Well, sort of. I'm using some of the functions that RPG Maker has, but actually a lot of them. um, but it's a lot easier when you code it than trying to event it. Well, better as far as like performance and everything else goes. But anyway, data.maxhp equals HP. Wait a minute. No, no, no. No, what am I doing? We don't need to do it that way. That's why I have the initialize function. Bitmap, HP, attack, defense. So I'm going to do something here. We're going to replace this with bitmap equals enemies ID dot data dot bitmap. So, we should be good. In theory, that shouldn't cause any issues. That should set the HP values. No, image manager load system. Oh, apparently, do not match case. Man, I hate when it does that. Sometimes, like, this keyboard doesn't register things. It's weird. Hi, Alone Syndrome. What up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Alone Syndrome. It's an interesting, cool name. So only one ship is being updated for some obnoxious reason. So we got to figure that out. But so far, it's so good. Everything is being properly set and updated, I believe. Um, hmm. Oh no, I know why one was only being created. Is because we didn't modify the second creation process. It was there, just had a weird empty bitmap. I will be right back, everybody. Hold up, let me. My phone is ringing. Okay, I'm back. All right, so as I was saying, what was I doing? Now there should be a second ship. It was just like I kind of goofed with. No, there is not a second ship. What in the fudge nips is happening? What? I'm so lost. Equals new. Oh, come on. Okay, so if anyone has even the slightest clue of what's happening, hold on. Let's console log something. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, what is happening? They're both sprites. They both contain. What is even happening right now? Okay, we need to find the data section that we created. Does it not? Oh, there it is. Data. Attack 1 bitmap is there. Let's try this one. data. Bitmap is there. What is even happening? Like, why? Everything's there. It equals the enemy ship, and then this one right here. It also equals the enemy ship. What is happening and why? Okay, are they both just being created in the same spot or something? Which one is not being created and why? Oh, no, that's why. They were being created in the same spot. I forgot that oh, wow. I'm a derp. I'm a derp. Okay. Yay! It works! Now we're gonna do the HP thing first. Window, enemy health. Here we go. Res equals enemies EID dot data dot HP divided by. Hold on, I'm gonna make this a little bit cleaner. Var E equals enemies dot data. So now all we have to do is E dot HP divided by E dot max HP. And then this dot draw gauge E dot X E dot Y. Let's draw 48 and then wait, E dot Y plus 24. There you go. Non-spam. Can you see my YouTube channel after you're done making this video? What up, grr? What kind of content you make? 38. And then the rate, which is res. And then RGB 255. Wait, 150 0 0 255 0 0. Here we go. Enemies ID dot health window equals new window enemy health ID. This dot add child enemies ID dot health window. That sounds a bit weird. Alright, this should work. EID is not defined. Oh, duh. Hold on. This dot ID equals EID. Now it should work. EA, but now it's not following them, but that's okay. I can make it follow them. Guys, this is awesome. Alright. Hello, Def D. What up, and welcome to the stream. I do hope you enjoy your stay. I've been streaming for, I don't know how long now. 53 minutes. Jeez. It does not feel like it's been that long. Anyway, let me know if you guys would be interested in more streams of this, because I have fun streaming stuff like this. So, what we need to do is, we need to do this .contents.clear. And we're going to do window enemy health .prototype .update equals function. Oop. And this .refresh. Now, wait a minute. There we go. Although it's creating large windows and we don't need it to draw all of that unnecessary amount of windows. So we're going to make the window size 48 by 48. And instead of doing X and Y, we're going to be doing this. We're going to do, instead of drawing it at that position, we're going to do 0, 0. And then we're going to say this dot X equals E dot X. Oops. this dot y equals e dot y plus 24. Now it should be interesting. Hi, Shedinja. E is not defined. Oh, oops. Duh. Need to do this again. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I can just do this in the refresh section. Don't need to do that, man. Yay. Alright, so there we go. Now the enemy's health bars are following them, and they're actually a tiny little window. So let's instead make that a bit smaller. So let's say 24. Oh, we can just do that. And we can do the width can be 24. So plus 12, which is half of 24. Now it should be centered and a little bit smaller underneath the. There we go. Yay! So what do you guys think? Is that cool or what? Okay. Now we need to. Now that we got their health, we need to do collision. So, the collision part is going to be a little bit interesting. It can be really. Thank you, Alone Syndrome. Computer specs: I have an Intel Core i7 4770K, 10 gigs of RAM at the moment, and which is not bad. It's not bad. It gets the job done. And a GTX 770. I've enabled a dual graphics mode, so I can have more than just a few monitors. Like I can have, I have like 3 monitors hooked up right now. One of which we got for free, which is awesome. So cool. Thank you. Is it possible to make the HP bar the size of the enemy? Yes, it is indeed possible, Alex. However, like when they're close together like that, because the enemy is actually. Ooh, you know what? We should shrink down this enemy. Like, hold on. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Let's do this. So this enemy is what? 25 by 26. Yeah, see, if we do that, though, like, we end up with an awkward number. So let me shrink it back down. Something that can be... Okay, 26 by 26. He'll have a pixel of collision on the right, but that's okay. Okay. Enemy 1. 26 by 26 was his shape, right? I believe. E... What is happening? Width. What? Oh. This dot contents dot width. This is a little bit awkward. Alright. This dot width equals... Hold on, let me... do this. E dot width. This dot height equals E dot height. So what we're going to do, instead of this, we're just going to do plus E dot width divided by 2 and plus E dot height divided by 2. Now we need to give it a width and height function as well. Width, height. This dot width equals width. This dot height equals height. Alright. Nice. C++ is pretty interesting, Shedinja. That's the Y position. Okay, so 26, 26 for the width and height. Now, it should be the same size as whatever enemy that spawns. Although now it's not going to be there because it wants to be a boosh. E dot width. Oh, What is happening and why? Okay, hold up. Oh, hold up. Yeah, you know what? This could work. Hold on. Hold on. You know what? I can't hold it, man. I gotta friggin' urinate like a pregnant Russian racehorse on steroids. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so. Wait, what? What'd I miss? So Lenny Landewolf. You started to learn JavaScript? Awesome, dude. Alright, so. The health bar. Why is it being so dank? You know, maybe I won't make it, the... With the knife, I don't know yet. Hmm. It's as if the width and height is not... What is happening? Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm not gonna do it that way. No way. Can I just, like, get the bitmaps width and height? Like, naturally, or... Hmm. Oh, boy. So this worked. That much I'm sure. This stuff contests that width. Does that still work? No, it doesn't. What is happening and why? Let me undo all this. Okay, something really funky happened with that. There we go. What the heck, girl? Okay, hold on. Console.log this dot wait e dot bitmap dot width. I want to see if that's possible. If we can grab the width of the bitmap, because if so, with that we can save ourselves a lot of time. And undefined. Oh no, it works. Fudge all of the nips. Okay, this is gonna work out. Okay. Plus e dot bitmap dot width divided by 2 plus e dot bitmap dot height divided by 2. Wait, no, the width part needs to be divided by 4. I think. Yay! Dot x, actually. Let's just do that. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, okay, I know what to do. Awesome. Uh, e.bitmap.width divided by 2. E.bitmap.width minus e.bitmap.width divided by 2. Wait, well, that doesn't make any sense. E.bitmap width divided by 2. Could just do a bumper method. Alrighty, Laterland. Enjoy your day. Okay, so here we go. This needs to be divided by 4, and that's divided by 2. So now it should be, like, centered, sort of. Yay! I love it. Alright. Swagger. Now we're going to be doing something really interesting. This is going to be very difficult, but we need to do a bullet.splice. So, this is going to be very, very, very difficult. Alright, update collision. Or, var I equals 0. I is less than. Hold on. Game player needs to be its own thing. So, game player. In that case, the variables need to go under. All this. So I need to copy you. Okay, so instead of saying like this dot game player, um, okay, I need to find all the instances of the game player. Add child, player sprite. Most of it's just the game player sprite. So, this part right here. So what I need to do is, I don't want to mess this up. Well, good luck finding a college that actually teaches you game design. Yeah, I know it's really hard for that now. Kaiser University used to do it, but then they stopped because people were graduating but still having a difficult time finding a job. Buried in the ashes. Okay, really fun question for you guys. Okay, do you say buried or buried? Like you're gonna eat some berries? Like, well, how do you say it? Do you say buried? Because it sounds weird for me to say buried, even though that's the proper way to say it, I believe. I always say buried, so I'm used to saying it, man. And I want some candy. Oh, the text editor? Sorry. Wow, I just completely derped out on that. I didn't even look up. Oh, let me read some of the chat real quick. Yeah, it's Notepad++, like he said. So you pronounce it as buried as well. Yeah, this is Notepad++. I usually branch things off using these, and then I close it off, and it works really well for organizing things. Yeah, I know, right? It's like, I heard some people pronounce it as buried, and it's like, it bugs the crap out of me for some reason. Okay, because I completely lost my train of thought, right, here we go. Okay. Now, in theory, everything should still be okay. Please. Oh, come the fudge on. What's happening? Alright. Huh? A3. What are you talking about? Line A3 has an issue. Eh? Oh! Okay. Let me comment that out real quick. Can apply undefined. Update up null 254. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Yes! Okay. I'm so sorry for this food, but oh my gosh, this candy's so good. As lesson game. Oh. Player dot bullet dot length. Bullets, I believe it's called. I sound like a stupid. I sound like a stupid when I talk like this. Oh, there's bullet. Okay. Again, I don't even know if I'm gonna use game camera. Oh yeah, we'll see. Bullet dot length. I plus plus. Here we go to collision. This is gonna be the fun part. So, if this dot x is greater than or equal to game player dot bullet I dot x, and this dot x is less than or equal to game player dot bullet I dot x plus this dot width. Wait. This dot bitmap dot width. And we need to read all this out because that sounds stupid. That sounds fine. Thank you. What the bananas? Okay, here we go. This dot y. This dot y. This dot y. Now, in theory, this should work, I believe. And in what? Oh, height. Game player dot bullet dot splice. I 1. Now in theory, that should destroy the bullet unless I'm doing it wrong. Why? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? It's hitting him. Okay. X position, Y position, less than or equal to the plus bitmap dot width must not be properly defining itself. So, fudge. Hold on. Console.log this dot bitmap dot width. I need to see if it's working. Oh wait, I need to get rid of the other console log. Hang on. Okay. Layer Dragon. How many lines can be coded so far? I don't know yet. Not that much. Hold on, let me see if this is working at least. Why did I print screen for? Yeah. It's working. The bitmap.width is working. Let's see, how many lines? Only about 482. By... Okay, Wow, guys, my CPU is only like 7 to 9% streaming this. That's insane. Alright, anyway. I'm doing something wrong, obviously. I gotta find out what that is. Is it the splice method? Hold on. Hit. Cat smiley. Yeah. It's RPG Maker has some built-in stuff that's actually really good. Okay, so it's literally not registering. I don't know if it's because my bullet speed. So let me slow down the bullet speed real quick. Put my game on Game Jolt? Maybe. I don't know. I never actually finished a game yet, so I don't really know. Where's the bullet? Here we go. So I'm just gonna do a -5 instead. I'm gonna have to do a pixel movement system if this doesn't work soon. So we need to see if this is working at least. And it's not. So it's not about the bullet speed. As you can see, the bullet gets restored after distance. And that's to save on the resources. It deletes the array entry after a certain amount of frames. It's a lot better than checking to see if if it's beyond. That's weird, Shedinja. Because Microsoft. Now, anyway, so we need to find out what's going on with this. So I'm just gonna do it like this for now, and to test it. And I know this should register. If the X position of the bullet is equal to its X position and less, whatever, it should work. At 100 all of a sudden. Okay, there we go. So it is working. When it's in position, as you can see. But like when it's in the position, it is working. Now we just need to figure out why it's not working with the Y position. So let's try just messing with the Y. I think I did something wrong, but that's okay. Hello, ship. Hi, Fear. So let's see if it's working with the Y position now. What? It's not at the... What in the fudge titties? What is even happening? The Y position of the bullet. Less than or equal to the bullet. Oh! I'm so stupid! I'm stupid! I forgot that part. Alright, so now, if we copy this, undo this part. No. X. X. Okay, here we go. I'm stupid. Don't spill the salt, it gives you bad luck. I heard it doesn't. If you just throw it back over your shoulder, you're good. Yes! Collision is now working. Squeeze me, girl. Alright, so, herpy derpy. Game player dot bullet dot splice I won. No, I lost. Oh, I did not. Okay, hang on. Should be good. Yes! As you can see, the bullets are now getting destroyed. I'm not sure if you can how well you can see that with the 30 FPS limit. But the bullets are now getting destroyed, as you can see there, when they hit the ship. So now, what we're going to do... Okay, for I equals 0, I is less than enemies.length, I plus plus, if enemies I dot HP, wait, dot data, dot HP, is equal, wait, less than or equal to 0, was it this child? Yeah. This dot remove child, enemies I. So, now by doing that, when the enemy dies, we should, first we need to drain the enemy's HP as the bullet hits them. This dot HP minus equals 1. Well, we're going to be doing minus equals the game player's attack, but... Here we go. Look, there you go. His HP is draining, as you can see right there. Oh, sweet. Ooh. uh, this move child. Uh, but we got to do something else too. Otherwise, it's gonna still update. So we're gonna purge the array entry as well. Oh boy, this is annoyingly hard. All right. Well, I'll be on. Okay. It's a danger. I know, right? Like, I have so many mods. Like, I don't know why. The iPad is 19%. I miss a lot, I think. You can't tell me what to do. They're like 10% with everything. I'm always open, like, 20 tabs. Oh. Alright. So, what's I saying? Yeah, we gotta remove that, and then we gotta remove the enemy's window. Dot data. Wait. Dot health window is what it was. And then we need to purge the entry. So, enemies. Dot splice. I. 1. So now we can actually kill the enemies. And there we go. Yes! Freaking sweet. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. Answers I found. What is a Toho? One does not simply ask, what is a Toho? Okay, so OBS disconnected. Weird. Is it working again, guys? Is it? I'm just gonna go ahead and end the stream anyways. But we've got a lot done. This is awesome. Yep. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thank you all so very much for watching this stream. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.